We've got your HTML file over here on the left opened up in Notepad, and then I've got the same file opened up in Firefox here on the right. And this looks really good. There's just a couple of things that I want to point out to you. And the first one is that you've got inside of your head tag, you've got all of this content because we never closed the head tag. So we opened up our HTML, we opened up our header, and then inside of the header is where we would have put a title tag in here. And that title tag would be where we see the title displayed in our browser right here. So we would want to add the title tag to our head, and then we'd also want to add title. We also need to open up our body because really all of this content is contained within the body of our HTML document, our HTML code. So we would open up the header, we'd have our title tag, and then we'd close the head tag, and then we'd open up the body, and we'd have all of this stuff in the body. This looks good, by the way. Opening H2, closing H2, your paragraphs, level 2 header, paragraph, level 2 header, paragraph, level 2 header, paragraph. All that looks great. Then you would close the body tag, right? Then we would close our HTML tag. So at the very top, we would need to close that tag. So remember, every tag, at least all the tags that we've seen so far in this assignment, have an opening tag, right? So we have an opening, just like you did for H2 level, your second level header. You opened it and you closed it. The same needs to happen for your HTML tag. You need to open it, and then you close it at the very bottom of your HTML file. And same is true for your head. So you opened up your head tag, and then it looks like you just didn't close it. So we would close our head tag. Okay, so as you're starting to open up the tags, go ahead and write your closing tag as well, so that it's already written and you don't have to remember to write it out later. Okay, I want you to look at page 23 of your textbook, because on that page is where the exact code for this whole assignment is found. It's just that the content in your headers and your paragraph tags are different, but the actual complete layout is going to be exactly the same. Okay, so I want you to check that out. Alright, so let's look at our grading form and let's see how you did on this assignment. So I have your grading form over here. Let's see. I gave you full credit for this part 1, submitting one HTML file to me. You did that. You properly used tags to add structure to the content. You did that. You did not use all tags required for the assignment because you're missing your title tag and your body tag, a couple tags that are missing in there, so I had to take off a point. And your HTML syntax rules weren't followed all the time. So we had some syntax issues with your header, your closing tags being matched up with your opening tags. But then you did submit it to me as an attachment, so you got full credit for that. Alright, so your total that we're looking at for this Module 1 assignment is 9 out of 12 points. If you have any questions about this, make sure you send me an email message so that we can clear that up, okay? Good job, and we will be in touch if you need any help.